As data centers expand across the globe, for network engineers and contractors, that means more connectors to inspect, more fibers to test, and more results to process. But it doesn't have to mean more time per job. Viavi offers an all-in-one solution for data center installs that features fully automated fiber inspection, bidirectional testing, and report processing, making end-to-end job management faster and simpler than ever. Here's how it works. Step 1. Job assignment. The onboard instrument job manager guides technicians through a simplified testing process for faster setup and execution. Step 2. Connect the talkset to coordinate with the engineer in the other location, using another fiber in the cable being tested to communicate without any additional security checks needed. Step 3. Inspection. As always, you need to inspect before you connect. With the new INX 760 from Viavi, the scope will automatically adapt to the tips and ports being tested, while auto-selecting the right parameters to get the results. Step 4. Testing. Using the Fiber Complete Pro solution and an engineer at each location connected to the fibers being tested, with one button push, your Viavi device will automatically perform bidirectional insertion loss, ORL, and OTDR tests. Then the results will automatically be consolidated into one report for onboard analysis and reporting, simplifying and streamlining the entire testing process. No need to transfer your results off the OTDR. No more manual report creation. No more time wasted. Finally, Step 5. Report generation. With Viavi TPA, reports can automatically be uploaded to the cloud for completion and sign-off, so you can move on to the next job faster than ever before. With Viavi Solutions' simplified end-to-end testing process, you can supercharge deployments with improved quality, streamline security clearance, and minimize costs. Get started today at viavisolutions.com/supercharge.